Good morning, students. In the last class, we have solved some problem based on the circles. In today's class, let us solve some more problem based on the circles. A triangle ABC in the exercise 4.2, problem number 12. Exercise 4.2, problem number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter, such that the segments DC, BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact dr of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of AB and find the sides of AB and AC. Find the sides of AB and AC. A, B, C. This is D. O in the center. Radius 4 centimeter. They have given the radius 4 centimeter. Then this is 6 centimeter. Segment 8 centimeter. Join O and C. Join OC, OB and OA. Join OC, OB and OA. Join OC, OA and OB. This is 4 centimeter. Look here, students. This is O and DEF. Look here, join OC, OB and OA, OB and OC. You may write that in that way also. Then this CD is equal to 6 centimeter. CF is also 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 centimeter. BD is equal to BE is equal to 8 centimeter. Reason: tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Tangent drawn from an external point are equal. CD is equal to 6 centimeter. The CF is also 6 centimeter, and BD is 8 centimeter. BE is also 8 centimeter, because the tangent drawn from an external point are equal. Tangent drawn from an external point are equal. CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 centimeter. BD is equal to BE is equal to 6 centimeter. Now assume A is an external point. AF is equal to AE is equal to x centimeter. This is x centimeter. This is also x centimeter. Then AC can be written as AC. This is 6. This is x. 6 plus x centimeter. And AB is equal to 8 plus x centimeter. AB is equal to 8 plus x centimeter. Join OC, OB and OA. This is radius. This 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. This is 8. This is also 8. This is 8. This is 8. Now we are going to consider the triangles. That is area of triangle. This triangle. Which triangle? This one. BOC. Area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle BOC. BOC. Area of triangle BOC is equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle BOC is equal to half into base into height. Half into, what is the base? 6 plus 8. CD plus BD. 6 plus 8, 14. Into height is, what is the measurement of height? 4 centimeter. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Or you may write 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. 7 fours are 28 cm square. This is the area of triangle BOC. Now, area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle AOC. AOB. Sorry. AOB. Area of triangle AOB. AOB. Half into base into height. Half into base is 8 plus x. Into height is 4. Base is this 8 plus x, height is 4. Base is this is 8, this is x, 8 plus x. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 8 twos are 16 plus x centimeter. The measurement of area of triangle AOB is equal to 16 plus x centimeter. Now, area of triangle AOC. AOC half into base into height. Half into base is 6 plus x. Into height is once again 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 6 twos are 12 plus, 8 twos are 16. 2 into x, 2x. 16 plus 2x. 6 twos are 12 plus 2x centimeter. Now we consider area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, this call this area as A1, call this area A2, call this area A3, that is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Area 1, area 2 plus area 3. What is area 1? 28. Area 2 is equal to 16 plus 2x. Area 3, 12 plus 2x. 28 plus 12, 40. 40 plus 16, 56 plus 2x plus 2x, 4x. Area of this area and this area and this area. A1 plus A2 plus A3, 28 plus 12, 40. 40 plus 16, 56 plus 4x cm square. So we consider the area of the two triangles, that is 56 plus x. Then perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Under the Heron's formula, we apply the Heron's. We have studied in our 9th standard Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? A is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is Heron's. Somebody read it as Heron's formula. No, that is Heron. Heron's, we call it as Heron's formula. S is equal to perimeter, half of the perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. What is A? 28. Sorry. AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2. This can be divided into 4 parts. That is equal to, what is AB? 6 AB. X plus 8 plus 6 plus BC 6 plus X plus 6 plus 8 14 by 2. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 14 28 plus 1x plus 1x 2x by 2. 2 is the common factor. 14 plus x divided by 2. 2 to cancel. What is the perimeter? Half of the perimeter is equal to 14 plus x. Half of the perimeter is equal to 14 plus x. Then we have the perimeter S into S is called 14 plus x. Next 14 plus x minus this one 8 plus x. Next 14 plus x minus 6 plus x. Next 14 plus x minus 14. Under the root, what is this S? S is equal to 14 plus x. 14 plus x. S minus A. 14 plus x minus A is 8 plus x. 14 plus x minus 6 plus x. 14 plus x minus 14. Write this as it is under the Heron's formula. 14 plus x. This is 14 plus x minus 8 plus into minus x. Plus x minus x cancel. Next 14 plus x minus 6 minus x. Again x and x cancel. Now 14 and 14 cancel, x is left over. This can be done as under the root of 14 plus x into, here 14 minus 8 6 into 14 minus 6. This is 14 minus 8 6, 14 minus 6 8 into x. That can be written as under the root 14 plus x into 8 6 are 48x. 14 plus x into 6 4s are 48x. Now call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 2. This is also the area. Heron's formula. This is also the area. Equating the area 1 and 2. Equating the area. This is the last step. Equating the area, that is equating 1 and 2. What is 1? 56 plus 4x. Are you right? Under the root of 14 plus x into 48x. That is equal to 56 plus 4x. So, root of 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 4x is the common factor. 4 is the common factor. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16 plus 4 outside x. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We do like this. We need some more points. Some more space. Equating 1 and 2. Equating area 1 and equating area 2. That is also the area. This is also the area. That is under the root of 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 56 plus 4x. Equating 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 4 is the common factor, x plus 14. X plus 14. Squaring on both sides. 14 plus x into 48x under the root whole square is equal to 4 into x plus 14. Here 4x into 48x. 56 plus 4x. 54 is the common factor, x plus 14. This become square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This one and this one cancel. What is left over here? 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 4 4s are 16. Squaring 4 4s are 16. This is x plus 14 whole square. X plus 14 into x plus 14. X plus 14 cancel. 48x is equal to 16 into x plus 14. X plus 14 is equal to 48x divided by 16. 16 ones are 16 threes are. X plus 14 is equal to 3x. 3x plus 6 come to this side minus x is equal to 14. 3x minus 1x, 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. X is equal to 7. What is the measurement of AC? AC is equal to 6 plus x, that is equal to 6 plus 7, 13 centimeter. And then AB is equal to 8 plus x, 8 plus 7, that is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the question. It may carry 5 marks, my dear students. It takes 15 minutes to complete the problem. We have already rubbed the problem. Don't take tension. Join OC, OB and OA. Here this CD is equal to CF 6 centimeter. Then BD is equal to BE 8 centimeter. AF is equal to AE is equal to x centimeter. What is AC? 6 plus x. What is AB? 8 plus x centimeter. Now, in triangle ABC, there are 3 triangles are there. One is triangle BOC, another is triangle AOB, another is triangle AOC. The bigger triangle ABC contains 3 triangles. We are going to calculate the area of that 3 triangle. That is, area of triangle BOC is equal to half into base is 6 plus 8, 14, height is 4. 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 4s are 28. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base. Base is 8 plus x, height is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 8 2s are 16. 2 into x 2x. Area of triangle AOC half into base is 6 plus x into height is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 6 2s are 12 plus 2x. Area of triangle ABC is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. What is A1? 28. A2 16 plus 2x. A3 12 plus 2x. 28 plus 12 40. 40 plus 16 56. 2x plus 2x 4x centimeter. We are going to apply the Arrhenius formula for this problem. What is the Arrhenius formula tells us? A is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A. That is equal to, what is S? S is, we are calculating what is S. S means perimeter. Half of the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is AB? AB is 8 plus X. BC 6 plus X. AC 6 plus 8 14. 8 plus 6 16. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 14 28. 1x plus 1x 2x by 2. 2 is the common factor. 14 plus x by 2. 2 to cancel 14 plus x. Heron's formula A is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 14 plus x. 14 plus x minus of A. A means this one 8 plus x. Again S is 14 plus x minus B. B is 6x plus x. C 14 plus x minus 14. Here 14 plus x minus x cancel. 14 minus 8 6 plus x minus x cancel. 14 minus 6 8 into 14 cancel x. 6 8 are 48x. We are calculating the area under the Heron's formula and the area of the three triangle, that is equating A1, A2, A3, equating the area, that is equating 1 and 2, root of, this is Heron's formula, 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 56 plus 4x. 14 plus x into 48x. 4 is the common factor. 4 ones are 4. 1 remaining 16. 4 fours are. That is equal to x plus 14 or 14 plus x. You may write here. This is 4 ones are 4. 1 remaining 16. 14 plus x. This is 14 plus x. So 14 plus x. 14 plus x. You may write that one also, no problem. X plus 14, one and the same. So here, squaring on both sides, root of 14 plus x into 48x whole square is equal to 4 into 14 plus x whole square. This root and this square cancel. 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 4 fours are 16. This is 14 plus x whole square. It means to say that a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. 14 plus x cancel. 48x is equal to 16 into 4 plus x. For x plus 14 is equal to 48x by 16. 16 ones are, 16 threes are 3x. 3x plus x come to this side minus x. 3x minus x 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 2. The ones are 2, 7s are, x is equal to 7. AC is equal to 6 plus x. 6 plus 7, that is equal to 13. AB 8 plus x. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Now, this is a very important question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC in which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides of AB and AC. This is a problem very important for your examination point of view. So you may work out this problem. Here it is very difficult to understand this problem. Have you got any doubts? You may meet me and on Mondays, Tuesday and Friday in our Shubhodaya administration lab. These are the problems, somewhat confusion. If you know the basics of mathematics, it is very easy for you to understand. So there is no, I think you all understand this problem very well. Under the same exercise, in the same exercise, problem number 13, same exercise, problem number 13. This is also very important problem. Prove that prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral, opposites prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral, opposite sides of the quadrilateral, circumscribing a circle, circumscribing a circle, subtend supplementary angles, subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle, at the center of the circle. Prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral, circumscribing a circle, subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Circumscribing a circle. Circumscribing a circle with center O. Circumscribing a circle with center O. Touches the sides of quadrilateral. Touches the sides of quadrilateral and E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Here the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let the angles be angle 1, angle B, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then this is the center of the circle O. Angle AOB. Angle A, we have to prove that. We have to prove that angle AOB plus this angle, angle COD is equal to 180 degree, and this angle, angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, because subtend supplementary angle. Supplementary means 180 degree. Now we know that the complete angle of the circle. What is the complete angle of the circle? That is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. What is the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral? Circle. The sum of the complete angle of the circle is the complete angle. You see in your protractor there are 180 degree, that is semicircle. If we join two protractor, it becomes 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. Now this angle is equal to this angle. angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because angle at the center, central angle, that is, we may write the angle at the center, the subtend equal, tangent drawn from an external point are equally inclined to the line joining the external point and the center. When we tangents are drawn from the external point, it subtend equal angle at the center. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Reason: when the tangents are drawn from the external point, tangents are drawn from an external point, subtend equal angle at the center, subtend equal angle at the center. Therefore, what about angle 1? Angle 1 is angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Substitute in place of angle 1, angle 2 plus angle 2 as it is. And angle 3 as it is. Angle 4 is equal to dash angle 3. And angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 6. 5 is equal to angle 6. 5 is equal to angle 6. And angle 7. 7 as it is. What is angle 8? Angle 8 is equal to angle 7 is equal to 360 degrees. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 8 is equal to angle 7. 1 angle 2, 1 angle 2, 2 angle 2. 1 angle 3, 1 angle 3, 2 angle 3. 1 angle 6 plus 1 angle 6, 2 angle 6. 1 angle 7, 1 angle 7, 2 angle 7 is equal to 360 degrees. Take down 2 as the common factor. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 360 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 360 divided by 2. 2 ones are 1 remaining here, 60, 2 8s are. Angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees. What is angle 2 and angle 3 is AOB. Angle 2 and angle 3 is AOB. Angle 6 and angle 7 is COD. Is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. These types of problem may appear for your examination. Prove that opposites of the quadrilateral. Prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle with center touches the sides of the quadrilateral EFG. We have to prove that angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. AOB and COD. And angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. What is the complete angle of the circle? Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 360 degrees. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. When tangents are drawn from the external point, subtend equal angle at the center. Angle 1 become angle 2. This as it is. Angle 3 as it is. Angle 4 become angle 3. Angle 5 become angle 6. Angle 7 as it is. Angle 8 become angle 7. Because angle 8 is equal to angle 7. Then 1 angle 2, 1 angle 2, 2 angle 2. 1 angle 3, 1 angle 3, 2 angle 3. Angle 1 angle 6, 1 angle 6, 2 angle 6. 1 angle 7, 1 angle 7, 2 angle 7 is equal to 360 degrees. Take root 2 as the common factor. Angle 2, angle root 3, angle 3. Sorry. This is angle 2, angle 3, angle 6, angle 7 is equal to 360 degree. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 6, angle 7 is equal to 360 divided by 2. angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 6 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree. What is angle 2 plus angle 3? AOB. Angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. What is angle 6 and angle 7? COD. Therefore AOB plus COD is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we are going to prove that BOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. Thank you, Ananda. Continue the next class.